Good evening. Welcome back to interview preparation session. Today we will discuss data science topic. First question. What is data science? Data science is a combination of algorithms, tools, and machine learning techniques which helps you to find common hidden patterns from the given raw data. Coming to the next one. What is logistic regression in data science? Logistic regression is also called as the logic model. It is a method to forecast the binary outcome from a linear combination of predictor variables. Coming to the next one, name three types of bias that can occur during sampling. Coming to the discussion, question is name the three types of bias that can occur during sampling. In the sampling process, there are three types of bias, which are selection bias, under coverage bias, supervisorship bias. Next, coming to the fourth one, discuss decision tree algorithm. A decision tree is a popular supervised machine learning algorithm. It is mainly used for regression and classification. It breaks down a data set into smaller subset. This is the thing about decision tree algorithm. Coming to the next one, what is prior probability and livelihood? Coming to the answer, prior probability is the proportion of the dependent variable in the data set, while the livelihood is the probability of clarifying given observant in the present of some other variable. Coming to the next one, explain recommender systems. Coming to the answer, it is a subclass of information filtering techniques. It helps you to predict the preferences or rating which users likely to give a product. Coming to the next one, name 3 disadvantages of using a linear model. three disadvantages of the linear model or the assumption of linearity of the errors. You can't use this model for binary or count outcomes. There are plenty of outer outer filtering problems that it can't solve. Coming to the next one, why do you need to perform resampling? Coming to the answer, resampling is done in below given cases. Estimating the accuracy of sample statistics by drawing randomly with replacement from from a set of the data points or using as subsets of accessible data, substituting labels on a data points. So when performing necessary tests validating models by using random subsets, resampling is done like this in the below given cases. Coming to the next one, list out the libraries in Python using the data analysis and scientific computations. So coming to the answer, SciPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, NumPy, Scikit-learn, and Seaborn. These are the libraries, list of libraries in Python used for data analysis and scientific computation. What is power analysis? So once again, I will repeat the question. What is power analysis? Coming to the answer, the power analysis is an integral part of the experimental design. It helps you to determine the sample size required to find out the effects of a given size from a cause with a specific level of assurance. It also allows you to deploy a particular probability in a sample size constraint. Coming to the next one, explain collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering used to search for correct patterns by collaborating viewpoints, multiple data sources, and various agents. So this is the next one. And coming to the next one, what is bias? Coming to the answer, bias is an error introduced in your model because of the oversimplification of a machine learning algorithm. It can lead to underfitting. Okay, let's discuss few of the questions here. Discuss Navi in a Navi bias algorithm. The Nail bias algorithm model is based on the bias theorem. It describes the probability of an event. It is based on prior knowledge of conditions which might be related to that specific event. Coming to the next one, what is a linear regression? Linear regression is a statistical programming method where the score of a variable A is predicted from the source of second variable B. B is referred to as the predictor variable and A is a criter variable. Coming to the next one, state the difference between the accepted value and mean value. There are not many differences, but both of these terms are used in different contexts. Mean value is generally referred to when you are discussing a probability distribution, whereas expected value is referred to in the context of a random variable. Coming to the next one, what is the aim of conducting A/B testing? I need answers in live chat. Once again, I will repeat the question. What is the aim of conducting A/B testing? A/B testing is used to conduct random experiments with two variables, A and B. The goal of this testing method is to find out changes to a web page to maximum or increase the output of a strategy. Coming to the next one, What is ensemble learning? Whatever it may be. What is ensemble technique or learning? Coming to the answer, the ensemble is a method of combining a diverse set of learning together to improvise on the stability and predictive power of the model. Two types of ensemble learning methods are bagging and boosting. First one, we will discuss bagging here. Bagging method helps you to implement similar learners on small sample population. It helps you to make nearer predictions. Coming to the boosting, boosting is an interactive method. Boosting is an iterative method, which allows you to adjust the weight of an observation depends upon the last classification. Coming to the boosting and bagging. Bagging method helps you to implement similar learners on small sample population, and boosting is an iterative method. Boosting decreases the bias error and helps you to build strong predictive models. So this is the difference between boosting and bagging. These are the two types of ensemble techniques. Explain eigenvalue and eigenvector. Coming to the answer, eigenvector are for understanding linear transformations. Data scientists need to calculate the eigenvectors for a covariance matrices or correlation. Even vectors or the directions along using specific linear transformation act by compressing, flipping, or stretching. And coming to the next one, define the terms cross validation. So what is cross validation here? Coming to the answer, cross-validation is a validation technique for evaluating how the outcomes of statistical analysis will generalize for an independent data set. This method is used in backgrounds where the objective is forecast and one need to estimate how accurately a model will accomplish. Coming to the last one, explain the steps for a data analytics project. Coming to the answer, the following are important steps involved in an analytics project. Understanding the business problem, explore the data and study it carefully. Prepare the data for modeling by finding missing values and transforming variables. Start running the model and analyze the big data result. Validate the model with new data set. Implement the model and track the result to analyze the performance of the model for a specific period. So this is the steps for a data analytics project. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will be there for 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.